Hey guys, Jess Halleck here. Today we're going to go over the most popular lengths of Halo Couture. They are right in the middle, the 16-inch and the layered 18-inch. If you already own one of the other lengths, you're probably looking at this one to add to your collection, so I thought I'd show it to you. These are by far the two lengths that I wear the most, rotate off of. I can do a layered 14-inch, but it just gives me fullness, so I'm all about a little bit of length and then some volume. Anyway, so the layered 18-inch comes in, well, the layered in general comes in a 14, 18, and 22. And then the originals come in 12, 16, 20, and 24. The 16-inch on just about everyone hits right about here, maybe a little longer, maybe a little shorter if you're really tall, but that's why it is so popular. But I wanted to show you the structure because that's the biggest difference. Let me just say right off the bat that everyone can wear an original or a layered. It just depends on what your goals are and what the look is you're going for, because sometimes if you want to add a lot of length, your hair is really short, or if you're really blunt and full, we can't add a lot of length with an original, so we would go with a layered to connect that, but it might just influence the customizing options that we do before we ship it to you, whether it's adding some more dimension, a root for sure, or cutting some length off. That's completely normal over here, so we will ask you those kind of questions to figure out which one would be best for you. But right off the bat, let me show you the original 16-inch. This one, all the halos I'll show you have been customized. I used to just, take them as is, and then a couple years ago, started customizing them, coloring, and they're just that much better for me. So this is an original 16-inch, and this one will just give me about 2 inches of length and just like a natural thickness. So if your hair is super, super fine and you're not wanting a extension look per se, you're like, I just want it to look as natural as possible, then we'd probably just go with an original. The reason is because of how it's structured. So the original has 30% less hair than the layered. So the layered is definitely the thicker one, but this is a good spot to show you already the structure. So an original will be flatter through the sides, and then all of the weight, which is where it's the thickest, is in like the bottom 4 or 5 inches of the halo. So if your hair is really full and you're just wanting to add like 2 inches, then we could go with an original to accomplish that, because all the weight is at the bottom and it's flat through here. If you're wanting to add a lot of length, there's a big gap, we probably wouldn't go with this one. But if you're just wanting a very natural thickness, then this is your best bet. It doesn't come layered or anything, but we do that in customizing before we send it to you, because every halo needs layers. Even if it's just a little bit or just some soft transitioning, every halo needs it. So that just comes standard from us, but depending on our consultation, we can add more or take some length off, or whatever we need. So this one I wear often just because it is very, very natural and lightweight. I love the original. For the longest time, I thought I couldn't wear it. I thought I could only wear layered, and then figured out, nope, there's a way to wear the original. It just might need some customizing. So here it is on me. The shape you can see even with my hair down, it just continues like my natural thickness. So look at this outer shape, very natural looking. If your hair is super fine, this lays very flat to your head, very discreet. I have another video on a very fine-haired client that we did an original on, and the customizing that's involved with that, so you can go check that video out. But the original is perfect for you. So there is that. Let me show you the back. You guys always want to see the back. So here, just giving me some extra 2 inches or so. Very natural. There you go. Okay, the other one is the layered 18-inch. This one gets a little more interesting because sometimes we'll grab a layered halo to transition like a really full cut. Let's say your hair is cut to like your chin, it's a really thick bob, or you're growing out or you have a really blunt cut and you just don't want to have to try too hard to blend extensions, then we'll go with a layered because it's structured differently and I can always cut it shorter. So here is the layered 18-inch. So if you look at this from the side view, it's really thick through the middle, and then see how it tapers off at the ends? That's the gist. So it gives you this look right here. But I also wanted to show you the one that I have cut that I wear pretty frequently as well, that's layered. If you see any of my photos, most likely I have the layered 18-inch cut in my hair. It's just my preference. But the halos are secured by a wire. There's no clips. It's just a clear wire. And once you figure out your placement, then it's super, super secure. Well, it's not gonna fall off of your head. I mean, don't be doing cartwheels, let's be honest. But other than that, you're gonna be fine. I have 3 kids. I had it while they were all babies. Trust me, it's been through it. Okay, so here is the layered 18-inch. Oh, I was gonna show you, sorry. Okay, look at the structure. So remember how the other one was really flat and then it got thicker at the ends? If I make this one straight, look how much fuller it is right off of my ear. So it gives you, clients that say, oh, I want a lot of volume. And even though the halo doesn't sit on top, like it doesn't give you volume up here, it gives you the illusion of volume because it kind of props up your hair because of how much fullness is on the sides. It's kind of hard to understand, but trust me, it works. They do have topper pieces, just so you know. Let me get that out of the way as well. But the structure of this one is very, very full. So I like all that volume. I already have pretty full hair, so I like visually for it to be like a big difference, especially when I had short hair and then medium length hair. I like it to like fluff out really big, but that's just my preference. It's kind of fun that hair extensions aren't like a secret anymore. It's an accessory. Just most of us wear them every day just because. So here is the full length, not trimmed or anything, but I have done custom coloring of toning and rooting. So there's the front. Move my hair, let me do the back. A lot more length, a lot more length. And we will ask you your height because it matters, because it will land in different spots on everyone. So if I were to wear it the full length, I do this more often in the fall when it's cooler. I live in Arizona and it's, you know, a furnace. Then I will usually cut it. So I don't want to waste the good long one, so I have a different one that's the same. It's just been cut. But this is a very good example if you're like, I love the fullness, but like I would feel so uncomfortable and so much length that I don't really want to go that route. And sometimes a layered 14-inch just isn't enough. It was perfect when my hair was a little bit shorter. It gave me like all that volume and fullness that I wanted and length, but I don't know, I just like where the volume hits on this one. Okay, so this one I have cut to a, let's say 15, 16. I have to measure it to make sure, but somewhere in that range. I am, you know, 5'2" on a good day. So give you an idea of my height, where this is gonna land on me. If you're a lot taller than me, then it might be a little bit shorter. But again, we just ask you those questions in consultation. Okay, so this is more like natural to me, but it looks like I've got some boom to it. So I love how this looks. Anytime I cut it shorter, I make sure to do lots of layering added onto it, some texturizing, just so it doesn't look like bottom heavy. I can't stand that. When extensions, you know, go to the bottom, it drives me bananas. So we will take care of all that before it even gets to you. But this one we have done a custom rooting balayage. I don't know if you could even see, but this one I wear pretty frequently, especially in the summer when it's hot. But I just love it. I don't know. Okay, so here's the back. It's just giving me like 2 inches or so, but lots of volume. So again, the same halo, but wanted a little bit shorter. So very, very often do we use the 22-inch and cut it to a 20, do the 18, cut it to a 16. It's just, you know, it's the look that we like. So if this is your first time seeing halos, you can inquire at halobydjess.com. Go to the inquire button and fill out the form. I'll reach out to you directly. We do all of this virtually. We customize in my salon here in Gilbert, Arizona, and we ship it directly to you. And then once you receive it, we are your ongoing support for anything that you need with your halo. So I'm so excited for you. These are the most popular lengths. The original, the layered, everybody can wear both and loves both. And if you get one, you're probably gonna want the other in the future. I'm just saying. So anyway, I hope this helped. Let me know your questions. You can DM us, you can shoot us an email or fill out the form, and we'd love to talk to you.